No privacy. This girl, now wow.
Some people do. So guys, I want to do content for a brand and I'm posting my face.
Bishop Olen work only fake like you content creator. Now what?
Sarah is so serene. I love it. Hi guys. So this is our apartment for today and tomorrow and next tomorrow. This is the sitting room. This is the sitting room. This is the kitchen. Kitchen doesn't have lights, unfortunately. So we're going to the 2 rooms. We took a 2-bedroom. This is the first room. This is the toilet. Why is the light off? I have to look for the switch somewhere. Okay. Okay. So this is the toilet. And then we have the huddle room. It's quite nice. I love it. This is the toilet. Yep, you guys should watch out what we're going to do first as we settle in. So we're going to be having eba and efori roll for dinner. Then we made the F4 and of course the eba. And I'm just going to be watching my movie as I'm eating my food.
No privacy. Nothing. No privacy. This girl, now wow.
Some people do.
Now wow.
See this one. So I enjoy Nigerian movie here. Can't you watch American movie for once? Ha! Ah, wow! Temi refused to eat, and I should give us food. Are you come? Guys! My friend is here!
This is a toner. I have.
Thank you, babe. You're welcome. Let me complete my work.
This is a.
I didn't even do the skincare again. That's the problem. And the result is lasting now.
That means. Come on! Yegos in the building! See this ones? What are you doing? Kilashe?
Happy New Year!
You're bonding what? Kill and bond. Nikini. Welcome, baby. So guys, I want to do content for a brand and I'm posting my face. Don't start to relax. Save your laugh, save your laugh. I'm forcing my friends to do the content with me. So you guys should watch out for the content on my Instagram page. Yeah. I'm coming back. Let me get to do this.
This one. Oh, you're people like don't mind it.
It's Netflix and everybody will sit down together.
They're supposed to sit their legs. We don't want to come one.
I'm not sitting straight now. Okay, I will sit down here now.
Eventually.
Yes, we will eventually.
Only 3, I mean, 2 of you will stay there. Everyone will not catch you people now.
Yeah, we will the camera here.
Don't worry, we will manage. I need at least 4 people here. I will do our own, don't worry. Oh yeah, cover your legs.
Okay, ma'am.
That has to be side.
How? Is it the other side?
This one is actually like that brown, right?
Let me put it under your head. Just say it.
Get
I'll put myself somewhere
followed by
there. So I'll bring the table now.
I won't go back to 20.
No, you can watch your camera, put your laptop and you're watching it. My girls! I love you.
You would like the candle.
I would like the candle. Emma, bring it. So this is day 2, no, day 1 continuation. We are doing movie nights today. What is that thing?
Picture following but only fake life. You're content creator. Now what? Fake life.
Well, you guys see how you become a boy up like.
Oh, you're mini setting now. Yes, it's okay.
Oh yeah.
I should start.
It has started now. What is starting?
That started.
Oh yeah, how's it? Is this showing us?
How do you call this dark shower?
The candle is fine, it's fine. Hello guys. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
I'm not behind together.
Come, I don't press like that, so the next one I'll do now, I'll face the camera out to do.
So we can go now.
No! I'm sorry, I'm
phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games. I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to
pour me your phone. I get them on wine.
I no get time, da ba da. Da cover my face, calling me da ba da. Big man we do, yeah, ba da. What's it going? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. know say anything when you do, they must commend it. Fun killer.
I let it fall. My heart, does it feel? You rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over.
What's that stuff called? The list of the things that we wrote that we're going to do. We did not know that we are supposed to. This is a gathering of the ladies, gathering of believers. I know it's not church we came to do it, but it's an opportunity for us to just thank God. It's a rare privilege. Yeah?
Okay.
And then commit the rest of the ladies.
So I should now wake everybody up.
Wake everybody.
I do walk on people in your room.
I have just kids I should come and tell people first. Everybody will deposit it to room. It's going to be like a 10-15 minutes. We'll sing, people will bring song, and then everybody is praying. It's not like one person is praying for somebody. Everybody is praying. So let's do that before we start.
Okay, mommy.
The
Yes, ma.
have you drunk water this morning?
No, ma.
And
Not gonna take water.
And you want to lose weight.
Ah.
Do you know that when you wake up, you're supposed to drink water?
One full bottle, are we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me go and take water.
Thank you. I'll take it.
Don't let your bum show too much. It's like him, sorry.
Why?
And why? He's doing his job.
What job? You're not familiar.
It's
Don't let us start the fight.
We can start the fight.